This is Team Humble. Team Humble.
This is Team Humble Philippines Remix 2024-2025.
This is DJ Joven Lina Remix. Music Production. Hindi man ako sikat, pero ang mga music ko kalat.
Philippines Remix 2024-2025.
This is DJ Joven Lina Remix.